Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. I just installed the Godark Motorized Cellular shades and I have to say I'm really impressed. The first thing I love is that they come with a remote control. With just the push of a button, I can raise or lower my shades instantly, so no cords and no hassle. It makes adjusting them so simple and convenient, especially for hard to reach windows. They also work with Alexa, Google Home, and smart things, but honestly, I find myself using the remote most of the time because it's so easy and reliable. Another big plus is that they come with custom sizes, so I was able to get the perfect fit for this window. Installation was quick and straightforward, which was a huge relief. Style wise, they look great. They are multiple color options, and I went for the gray, which is sleek and versatile. The fabric is light filtering, so it gives me privacy without making the room feel dark. The motor runs smoothly and quietly, and the build quality feels solid. Overall, these shades really combine style, convenience, and modern features. The remote control especially makes them effortless to use, and I'm so happy with how they make my home feel both functional and stylish. And that's my point of view.